Good morning, everyone. This is a tree that I bought, a fruit tree that I bought, and this is its first crop. This tree is not. It's not even 4 months old, and it is. It's called a Samba lemon tree. Okay, so it's amazing because it has these big, huge lemons here on this tree, and it's 10 of them. And so now I'm gonna see how they look and how they taste, because the lemons are they're so heavy that I put this up to keep the tree from just being overwhelmed, because the lemons are so heavy. So anyway, here's a lemon. This is the first one. This the first crop, y'all. This the first crop, and this is what it's called. If you already know what this is, it's called a Samba lemon sweet. So it's supposed to be a sweet lemon. So here we go. I may have to put the camera down, but here we go with this first lemon. And I'll let you know if it's sweet. It's big. It does smell sweet. It's popping juice. A Samba lemon tree. The first crop, it has 10 big lemons. Okay, here we go. Oh, it is so good. I would show you my face, but I'm in my pajamas in the backyard. Oh, it is so good. It's a winner. It's a Samba lemon tree. And if you're on live with me tomorrow, Thursday night, I'm going to show you one. And I'll show my face either way. But right now, my hair is on top of my head. And I'm out here walking the dogs, and it's good. It's a big lemon. Look at these lemons. They're bigger. Look at this one. This is a lemon. Oh my gosh. I tell you, you can take the girl out the country, but you can't take the country out the girl, y'all. So I shared this with my neighbors today. I got 10 lemons on my first crop. I spent maybe $20 for this tree, and it's only 4 months old, and it's a harvest. Hey Donna, this is for you, Donna. Thank you so much. I'm gonna send you a big sweet lemon. Look, isn't that great? Donna's one of our members, and she says, hey, what's going on? I'm not getting my stuff. Well, shorts, you guys will not be a notification. They're just if you just looking around. Take care. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.